Hi, Eleanor. How are you today? Hey, I wonder, before I read this next story, I wanted to ask you, have you ever gotten the hiccups? You know, when you're just talking or playing and suddenly you have to hiccup and it's so hard to talk. Well, the silly story that I'm going to read you today is about the hiccups. But I wondered what you do to get rid of the hiccups. How do you make them go away? I've heard lots of different things like standing on your head and drinking a glass of water real fast. And sometimes they just don't want to go. Hold your breath. Oh, and they still hiccup. Goodness. Well, this silly story is called, the Hiccup-otamus. Oh no. The author, Aaron Zenz, makes up a whole bunch of funny words so the story rhymes. Hiccup-otamus. It's supposed to be hippopotamus, isn't it? But he hiccups, so it's the Hiccup-otamus. Hic! Yikes. I think he's going to land on that ant. What do you think? Oh, be careful. Well, here's the hippopotamus. He's got a bag of seeds and he's putting them out for the birds to eat. Isn't that nice? What a nice hippopotamus. Hic! Uh-oh, he scared all the birds away when he hiccuped. The Hiccup-otamus by Aaron Zenz. Hic! Hic! Oh, now look who he scared. He scared the fish. He scared the worm. He scared the rabbit. He scared the butterfly. Look at their big poppy eyes. Hic! Hic! Oh, dear. There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lotamus, and every time he gotamus, he fell upon his bottomus. Oh my goodness! Boom! Down he went on his bottom. He hiccuped and fell over. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellowphant. Ooh, look at that. Looks like maybe it's the elephant's birthday. He's got a candle in the cupcake. Oh, boy. Uh-oh, be careful. What's going to happen? Yikes. Oh, no, the cupcake went flying. He tried to tell her hello-ophant. Eek. But it didn't go so well-ophant. Oh, dear. She's really mad, isn't she? She's got cupcake all over her head and back. Oh, my goodness. Now she's chasing him. She chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. There's a cement mixer. Wonder what a centipede's doing with cement. Maybe making a sidewalk. Whoop, look. He hicked by accidentipede. Uh-oh. Now what's going to happen? Uh-oh, something else bad, I bet. Oh, splat. Look at that. Right into the cement. Whoa. And tripped the elephantipede. Oy, oy, oy. Those don't look like elephant feet, do they? Oh, silly pictures and silly book. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental flosserus. Uh-oh. His string went all crisscrosserus. Yikes. They're getting all tangled up. Whoa. Oh, no. And that was the last Strocerus. Yikes. He's the only one that's not tangled up. What are they going to do? They tried to find a therapy, some cure which they could sharepy, a what or why or wherepy to stop this long nightmarepy. Whew. So, oh, look at all their books. What does that say? Fix Hicks? How to, that one's called Hiccups. There's Antidotes. Oh, they're reading all the books they can find to see if they can figure out how to stop his hiccups. So what do you think they're going to try? What cures? Well, they wrapped him round with licorice and spun him very quickerous. Oh, he looks like a top. He's turning round and round and round so fast. And then they secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and puffalo. Hick! Uh-oh. That didn't work. There comes the hiccup again. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. Whoa, look at that. He's in the aquarium, and here comes the centipede. Boo! Looks like a Halloween mask. Hick! All the water splashed out. Oh, just a little bit left. Yikes. Oh, I didn't know. Look, there was an octopus in the aquarium, and now it's sitting on top of the elephant. Yikes. And the fish is on top of the centipede. Whoa. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Yikes. Then they poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chin-chiniger. Look at that, a feather duster and pouring vinegar. Hick! That didn't work either. And then at last a miracle. His hiccups, so severical, just didn't reappearical. He grinned from ear to earicle. Whoa, yay, they're gone. Until, oh no. Hick, hick, hick. Oh, now the other animals all have hiccups. The elephant, the centipede, the rhinoceros, they all have hiccups. Hick. Yikes. And now look what he's doing. He's reading the Fix Hicks book. Hick, hick, hick. He can hear them way over there, and he's going to have to try and fix them. Oh, wasn't that a silly story about hiccups? Oh, goodness. The next time you get the hiccups, maybe you could try some of these remedies. Or if you find something that works really well, you're going to have to let Grandma know. Because sometimes Grandma has trouble getting rid of the hiccups. Oh. Love you, honey. I hope you enjoyed this silly story.